A desktop space can no longer meet our current life and work needs. Uperfect 4K UHD portable monitor is specially designed for desktops, bringing more desktop space for you with 4K resolution and 100% Adobe color gamut. You can browse all kinds of gorgeous images to your heart's content, meeting all your needs. 17.3 inches 4K UHD desktop monitor equipped with HDMI and Type-C port, making it easy connection with laptops, PCs, phones, Steam Deck, Switch, PS4, PS5, Xbox, and etc. Great ideal for extending your screen or playing games on business trip, travel, or home entertainment. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. There is one HDMI to HDMI cable, two Type-C to Type-C cable, a smart cover, power adapter with 33 watts, and Uperfect portable monitor. It comes with a nice protective magnetic case which can also be used as a stand. The front display is matte finish and the back is made out of wooden material. Also, there is a port for VESA stand. Now let's talk about its ports. There are two USB-C ports. One is just for charging. There is HDMI port, which allows you to connect it with all kind of devices like phone, PC, laptop, or gaming console. There is standard click buttons for power, volume, and brightness control. Buttons feels a bit cheap compared to the overall build quality of the monitor. There is a micro USB OTG port, which can allow you to connect a keyboard, mouse, or a USB disk. There are speakers on both the sides. Connecting to Mac was easy. You can connect via USB Type-C, but you also have HDMI connection with a dongle. And once plug in, you are all set to go. The screen has a 60Hz refresh rate and is a standard display. The display quality is quite impressive, even though it's not an AMOLED display. It's an IPS panel but has a decent 4K display. It can go up to 400 nits of peak brightness, which is good for indoor lighting conditions, but you will definitely have a tough time in outdoor visibility. It supports a 16.7 million 8-bit colors, and 100% Adobe creates a brighter and darker scenes for more nuanced settings without losing any vivid details. The viewing angles are okay, but it's best when viewed from front. You can arrange the display from Mac to any side of your choice from the display settings. Also, you can use Easy Res application if you're having trouble choosing 4K resolutions for the display. It's a free application for MacBook. The monitor was able to play both 4K and HDR content quite nicely. The colors and contrast was decent. Being a 17-inch display is great for playing games or watching content. There is display settings you can choose for better viewing experience. You can also use it as Samsung DeX monitor if you have a Samsung flagship smartphone. It weighs 1 kg and build quality is quite sturdy. Unfortunately, there is no touchscreen and there is no built-in battery. Overall, for its price, it's a great value for money. If you're looking for a portable monitor with great price and a lot of features, this is a great option. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.